What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We are back in the garage. The brakes on the front of the Colorado have been making a bunch of noise, and I've looked in there and they're pretty bad. Don't look like the past owner maybe ever changed them. About the worst I've seen. So we're gonna get it jacked up. We're gonna change out the brakes today. I want you guys to see how bad these brakes are. But we got the kit right here from Power Stop. I got really lucky on these. Everywhere I looked for calipers, rotors, and pads and everything was like $400, $350 to $400 for this exact kit. I happened to look on Amazon. I saw it posted on there for like $170. So of course I jumped right on it and ordered it. Like literally 5-10 minutes, I checked back on my order. I just happened to click the same part and it came up as $340. So I don't know if that was just a mistake on their part for the Black Friday deal or not. But yeah, I ordered it and it was like 66% off. And then 5-10 minutes later, same day, it jumped up to $340. So I don't know what the deal was. Of course, as heavy as this box is with all that stuff, they didn't take care of it very well in the shipping. It looks like it came out the beginning scene of the Ace Ventura movie, but shouldn't have really messed anything up in there. Kind of hard to mess that stuff up. But we're gonna go ahead and get the truck jacked up, get the front tires off of it, and take a look at it. And we're gonna get that stuff taken out the box and spread out and see what's all there. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it up in the air and then be right back with you. So let's get to it. Alright guys, if you plan on reusing your rotor, I probably wouldn't recommend smacking it with one of these. I'd probably use like a dead blow, or if you can, get an air hammer or something and knock it right here. I don't have either, plus I'm replacing the rotor anyway, so easiest way for me was just to smack the shit out of the fucking rotor. But yeah guys, that's what the brake pad looks like. You can obviously see there's no pad material left there. It was just eating into the rotor. Same with the other side. I mean, nothing there. It's just straight eating it. Here's the passenger side of the truck. As you can see how thin that is there. And that huge lip right there where it was. I actually found the brake pad slid down between the backing plate. That was the only thing holding it. It wasn't even in the caliper no more. The outside actually had a little bit of pad left, not much, but it had some. Obviously I broke it where I hit it a few times just because of how thin it is. That's really sharp. But just noticed, Brian. Sorry, I ain't wearing gloves again. But yeah, let me show you the caliper real quick too. Let me show you this. So you see where the caliper's been rubbing on it? You even got the caliper starting to break apart and everything there. She's seen some heat. That's why she's getting new calipers and everything too. Figured I'd do it while I'm at it with all the brake stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and whip this side back to start whipping this back together. I didn't show you to tear down on this side just because it was the same as the other side and I had more room and stuff to get angles over there. Yeah, I showed you how I took it apart on the one side. Now I'm just going to walk through reassembly. We'll go ahead and get it back together. Then I'm gonna have to get somebody to help me bleed the brakes, and it should be set to go. Alright guys, so this is the old one's completely off. Like I said, I showed you this one before. The chips out of it is just where I had to hit it with a hammer to beat this thing off. But you see it's got the huge lip. See how skinny the insides wore. And this right here was the pad on the inside of that one. It actually slid between the backing plate and been just chewing away at the pad. And then this was the outside one. It still had a little bit left on it. And also the driver's side over here, you see there was no brake pad material left on either. And wore that big lip you see sticking up there. Also, you can see the caliper on this one. It's all cracked up and ate up. And I'm spilling brake fluid on my floor. But yeah, so this one definitely needed replacing. But we got it all with the new stuff on there. New calipers, rotors, and pads on both sides, as you see. So that's gonna wrap this video up, guys. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Got some more projects coming up soon, so stay tuned to the channel, like, subscribe. And guys, as always, I appreciate the support, and I'll catch you in the next video.